60-year-old woman appears to be 26 using this cream. This anti-aging blend is better than Botox. To begin, I will use the shells of 2 bananas. Bananas we can consume normally. Here in this tip, we will use only the husks that are usually thrown in the trash. To facilitate the preparation, I will use a knife and cut into small pieces. This recipe uses only natural ingredients. It is very easy. Done this, I will put all the shells in a blender. This is also the secret to eliminating blemished skin and also wrinkles. Next, we will also use 7 tablespoons of cornstarch, being the second indispensable item for this tip. My parents used this recipe and the wrinkles decreased a lot. One of the main advantages in preparing this tip is in the economy by using banana peels as the main ingredient. To facilitate the preparation, we will also use 150 milliliters of water, thus making the mixture easier to apply and also extracting all the nutrients necessary for total hydration of the skin during application. We should only beat well until it becomes a homogeneous mixture, and with this, we will already have the mixture ready for application. Cornstarch is totally suitable for people with oily skin, deeply moisturizing the skin. For ease, I'm passing all the mixture to another container. Only this amount we prepare can be used for up to 3 times. We should only reserve the rest of the mixture well until the next use. This mixture can also be stored in the refrigerator, ready to use every night. For use, we must apply this mixture directly to the affected skin and leave to act for 30 minutes, then just rinse with running water. And before I forget, tell me which city you watched so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Victoria Naja from Anchorage. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. Only in these simple steps in a short time you will have your new skin. I'm sure you will thank me for this tip today, and soon you will have great results. I appreciate you watching this tip so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.